Alright guys, welcome back. We're here with vlog number 2.
Welcome back to another vlog.
I mean, I don't know, I feel like everyone at home right now is thinking, holy crap, another video? How are we gonna make a video that tops the last one? No one's thinking that because the last video was pretty we know. It was our first time editing.
It was his first time editing.
You were with me the whole time during the... Okay, it was both of our first times editing. And first time filming, so I thought it turned out okay. I know we're gonna get better. What do you think?
No.
Okay, well, tell them where we're going today.
Little Cottonwood.
I've literally told you Little Cottonwood 3 times. There's a difference. There's big and little. And I said little.
Oh, there's a big difference. Anyways.
Okay. Not on the vlog, bro.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, so we're going to Little Cottonwood Canyon. It looks pretty good at this time of year. We got the colorful trees. There's a little bit of snow up there. And we're just hoping to get a couple of good shots just so we can get you guys a video this week. We're trying to stay consistent, you know. I mean, what do you... What? We'll pick it up when we get there. And yeah, let's get the day going. Okay. Alright guys, so we are now officially in the canyon. It dropped like 30 degrees as soon as we came in.
It is cold.
Yeah, we're just gonna drive in, try to get some dope shots.
Look at that.
Look at this. This is nuts. Let me show you guys. It might be really windy, because I'm about to put you out the window, but don't worry, I'll protect you. I won't let you guys fall. That is nuts. Where are we going?
Big Cottonwood.
Dude, it's Little Cottonwood.
Oh, you said, are you sure?
This is little, yes. Alright guys, we'll pick it up when something else interesting comes up. Okay? Alright.
A few inches later.
Alright guys, so we've run into a little bit of a problem. Logan,
Yeah,
will
it's
you...
cold as
Not just that.
Oh.
Tell them what you just told me in the car.
I love you? Oh yeah, I forgot to charge the batteries.
We have 1 battery on the drone, which equals to like 15 minutes. And we have this whole canyon. I don't know how that's gonna work.
Look, this one still has half a battery. Almost.
This vlog may not be that great. That's all I'm saying. It might just be a bunch of us talking.
That's okay, dude.
We're not entertaining, bro.
They want to hear us.
They want to see the drone. They don't want to hear us. We're trash, bro.
You're trash.
Don't ever talk to me like that, dude. All right, guys. So we have 1 full battery at least. So we're gonna go ahead. We're by Alta right now. So we're gonna fly it around, see what we can get, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so we're back in the car because it's freezing outside. I can't feel my hands. Logan's over here crying. Unintentionally, but we got the drone up for like 5 seconds and then it started dying.
Yeah.
Congrats, dude.
Anyways.
So right now we're just sitting in the car waiting for these to charge. So what should we do now, dude?
You want to go stare at the snow?
I'm down. I'm so down. We'll just go look at the snow, dude.
It's kind of cold.
I hate this kid so much. Dude, I love you. Honestly, you've been such a good friend to me, bro.
Gay!
Yeah, anyways. Alright guys, we got out of the car again. We found a creek. We thought, hey, we can't get drone shots right now, but we can get some slow-mo of some water. Might as well, but it's freezing. I don't know how much longer I can do this.
I think I got frostbite.
Okay, I don't know about all that, but it is pretty cold. Do you think we can get down here? You want to try?
Yeah?
Yeah?
No, not really.
You go first, I'll record.
No, you're good, dude.
Here,
You got this.
film me. My good vans, by the way.
Here, I'll throw you your phone.
All right, we're here. This is nice.
Why don't we jump in?
This is way nice. Jump in, you first. I was thinking like maybe we could like skinny dip or something. All right, guys. I'm out of shape. All right, we're gonna head back to the car, get those batteries charging still. Yeah, if we don't get hit by a car. But look at this, man. Nuts. Okay, guys, so after sitting in the car for about an hour, we got it to 92%. So,
watch your
oh crap. So we're gonna get it up in the air, see what we can get. I'm sorry in advance if we don't have a ton of footage, but we're doing the best we can off the little batteries we have. So let's see what we can get. Alright guys, and that is another vlog just for you.
Got some damn good footage.
Yeah, we did. I'm excited to edit this.
I'm excited to feel my fingers.
Yeah, me too. Alright guys, so I know we got a couple dislikes last video.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
I want to get more likes than we did dislikes.
I want to see, let's make a goal. Let's do 20 likes this video. Let's try to hit 20 likes. And this time I actually want you guys to comment some places you want to see with the drone. Because like, we'll go anywhere within like 5 hours, honestly.
Yeah, not just about us being gay this time.
Yeah, not about us that we should have held hands. Whatever that was. Anyways, for real guys, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate all the support we got on last video. I expected to get 2 views. It got 200, so that was cool. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time.